When you're referred to a specialist, you expect in-depth knowledge and expert insight into your condition. When you're referred to a brain and spine specialist, you expect even more. At Princeton Brain and Spine Care, the premier neurosurgery practice in New Jersey and Pennsylvania, you'll find world-class physicians with extensive expertise in state-of-the-art treatments. Our doctors live life to the fullest, and our goal is to improve your quality of life to be the very best it can be. Meet Dr. Mark McLaughlin, founder of Princeton Brain and Spine Care, world-renowned brain surgeon, researcher, teacher, and wrestling coach.
I've been coaching the Paws wrestling team for 8 years. I am so proud of my wrestlers. They are champions on and off the mat. Doesn't matter what the score is, doesn't matter what your record is. It matters that you did your stand-up the best you possibly could, and you did it better than last week. It matters that you shot your takedown better than you did last week. It matters that you had all heart on the team. All right? That's what matters. I chose neurosurgery because it's complex and challenging, and I thrive in that sort of environment. A neurosurgeon must always be at the top of his game. And it's my responsibility to stay up to date on the latest technology, information, and skills so that I can offer my patients their greatest chance for success.
Meet Dr. Seth Josepher, Phi Beta Kappa from NYU, researcher and specialist in minimally invasive spine surgery.
At Princeton Brain and Spine Care, our priority is providing the best care for our patients. For this reason, we offer a variety of minimally invasive techniques that we feel are scientifically proven, but avoid others that remain unproven or are not right for a particular problem. We only adopt new techniques when their safety and quality are clearly proven. However, once these proofs have been provided, we're at the forefront of adopting new technologies and techniques for the benefit of our patients.
Meet Dr. Shah, a Phi Beta Kappa graduate of Penn State, specialist in stereotactic radiosurgery, neurotrauma, competitive runner, and radio personality.
Ladies and gentlemen, the St. Mary Medical Center Pro Football Report presented by Princeton Brain and Spine Care begins in just 1 minute.
Now, speaking about talented people, we have another talented person with us tonight, but from the medical field, and he is Dr. Shah, who is with Princeton Brain and Spine Care, and we call on Dr. Shah each week to talk about the injury du jour, which in the past month or so, Dr. Shah, has been concussions.
Yeah, it's unbelievable how many concussions have come through the NFL now, and honestly, as a neurosurgeon, we're really happy that it's become such a hot topic. It's something we've pressed for ages to have it out in the forefront, and now we're starting to gain momentum in terms of learning more about it, concussions, and ultimately keep safety within the NFL.
At Princeton Brain and Spine Care, we have built a circle of trust, compassion, and skill that is almost unheard of in today's world. I went into this profession to simply care for patients, not to argue with insurers over reimbursement or hospital administrators over patient stay. The foundation of this practice centers around you, the patient, not those other individuals. When you are here, you will be treated with respect, you will be given our time, and you will be given the very best of us. That is how healthcare should be.
I had a fusion of my C4 and C5, and Dr. Narayan and Dr. McLaughlin worked on me together, and both great doctors, very down-to-earth, reassuring, made me feel very comfortable.
I know that prior to my surgery, I had taken, walking and moving around and playing sports for granted until I had this pain and had the surgery, and I'm as good as new now. I mean, it was better than I was before. My back is good. I can walk, I can jog, I can run.
Dr. Shah did a great job. I had actually 10 years of pain that I was ignoring until it got so bad that I couldn't. And I had a really good outcome, and I'm feeling wonderful, and I have no back pain anymore. So I'm really happy, and really happy with his care.
Dr. Mark McLaughlin did my surgery a couple times. I'm here for Dr. Mark again because without him I wouldn't be walking, and he's a phenom of neurosurgery. And I looked around for a lot of different guys, and when I met him, I knew he was the guy to do the surgery. And we became good friends. We actually met because of wrestling. I wrestled in college, and when I met him, I noticed he had a little bit of a cauliflower ear, and I had been around to a bunch of different doctors, and we just hit it off, and would never let anybody else touch me, and he's done 3 surgeries on me, and I'm a professional mixed martial arts fighter, so that's what I do for a living, and I'm still doing it, and without him, again, I wouldn't be here, wouldn't be walking.
I had what they call a vascular decompression. It was for a glossoveronesia nerve that goes up the back of connects your tongue and goes up into your brain, your eyes. And I had severe pain, and he did a technique that puts Teflon between the nerve and the artery that it was hitting up to. The more we could get out about Dr. Mark McLaughlin and his team and his fellow doctors, the best. Absolutely, they do a wonderful job.
The doctors of Princeton Brain and Spine Care, the good neighbors you want, and highly skilled neurosurgeons you need, putting patients like you first.